hairdresser said that she saw her going into the doctor's the other day. Apparently, she's got herself in the club again.
Oi, you two should know better. You shouldn't be spreading gossip like that. You'll land a lady in trouble.
I think she's already done that, Viv. Isn't her hubby still away in the army?
Yeah, and apparently he hasn't been home since Christmas. So if she is up the duff, certainly won't be his, will it?
Oh, come on, ladies. We don't even know that she is up the duff, as you put it. She might be going for something else. I heard she had corns, so...
Corn's my arse. Mary Hall is as loose as the lock on my back gate. She's a trollop.
Well, I think you're both being a bit unfair to the lass. I mean, she came in here last week and she didn't mention anything about the doctors, or her corns for that matter.
Come on, Viv. She's hardly going to go shouting about it, is she? Not with her hubby being away. And if she is up the duff, how's she going to explain that her hubby's been away since Christmas doing war games, eh?
Oh, aye. Who do you think the father is, Edna?
Well, I'm not one to gossip, but I did say with Danny Chapman in the pub the other night, you know, the lad from the rail yard.
Danny Chapman?
No!
Isn't he going out with Sarah, that young lass from the chippy?
Yeah, he is. But there's no way would he have anything to do with the likes of Mary Hall.
That's as may be, but they were getting along rather cosily, if you know what I mean. She were knocking back the cherry bees like they were pop. If she is up the duff, it'll be something to do with Danny Chapman. Mark my words.
There you go then. She can't be knocking back cherry bees if she's up the duff, can she?
Don't be daft. When I was pregnant with our George, I was knocking back Billy's ginger wine until he dropped out. Didn't do me any harm, did it? And if she is up the duff, it'll be to do with Danny Chapman. Mark my words.
How'd you work that one out then, Edna?
Because he's a playboy, that one. We was the same at school. Chasing everything in a skirt. Smiling with his big smile and his bright blue eyes.
Oh, fancy him yourself, do you, Edna?
Bugger off, Jane. I wouldn't touch him with a barge pole. Besides, he's not my type. I prefer the quiet ones, like our Billy.
So, what can I get for you, ladies? A slice of apple crumble and custard?